This week has really been profitable, and these trades that I'm just showing you right now were not just wins, they were precision skills, and I used a brand new system, something that I've never used before. Let me show you. There was also another one. There was also this Euro GBP. Yeah, something that I've never used before, and of course, right here, Euro GBP is about to hit take profit, right? So this system, basically, I call it the phantom edge, and what it did on the charts this week was really insane. So today I'm just going to break it down and show you the entries, the logic, and why this might just be the cleanest system I've ever created. But then I'm not going to go into details on you know this system because I don't want to reveal too much, right? It's a new system, never seen on the internet, so I'm not going to share. So before we start, let me show you Euro GBP before entry. We're going to start with the Euro GBP analysis. So Euro GBP right here. So let me click. You can try to zoom right here. This was on July 11th, right? And today is July 25th. Euro GBP, like I say, guys, he said the price hits my stop loss or take profit. So Euro GBP has really taken time to play out. So we're going to start with this analysis, and as usual, let's just hit this replay tool right here. So on this Euro GBP, the analysis basically is very simple. For those who know about Forex continuation, that is just the basic. Now what I mean by the phantom edge, this is just a very good system based on a sniper entry and early entry, right? And it creates more opportunity in the market, right? So I have two entry strategy. We have the old one and now the new one that I just came up with. Now the old one, sometimes the market takes time to give you your edge, and the market keeps moving. So when I came up with the phantom edge, I caught amazing trades. I got good opportunity. So if you look at this, basically price is creating a continuation right here and a continuation. Now this is just basic for those who know about continuation. Bullish flag, we have a rising wedge, we have falling wedge, right? So remember, this is the H4. I don't need to look into higher time frame. The moment I just open my chart and find the market creating this amazing continuation, I'm not looking for sales. I will be looking for buys, right? But if price was doing this, that is when I should be looking for sale, right? So this is the tip right here. Sometimes you just don't need to throw away trend lines or any other thing. Just to make your work easier, you can come to the market and look at the pattern, right? So if you see price is doing this, blah 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 blah, and then blah 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 blah, yo, start looking for entries, right? And then I realized, once you understand what price did the previous two, I call it two touches, 1 2, right? If you understand the previous history, you'll try to at least anticipate the next movement. So last two was a continuation, you see right here. So basically this was also a continuation. So you see, every time price gives us a continuation, it pushes up. Continuation, it pushes up. So with this is also another continuation. History keep repeating itself. So that is what I saw. And let's just hit the market replay right there, and then you see I was in the trade right there, and price did its thing, blah 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 blah. And as usual, guys, all right, now I want to say why I don't trail my stop. So let's just take it back. Let's just bring this right here. Now this is a very good, perfect example why I never trail my stop loss, why I don't move my stop to break even. So for instance, I know most people will be like, yo, price has taken out this high right there, yeah? So let me move my stop and have my stop loss right there. So if this is my stop loss, okay, I've trailed my stop loss. Remember, my stop loss is 30 pips. So let's see what price did, and I'm risking 1 and targeting 3. So yeah, price comes back and stops you out, right? So let's see how many pips price did stop us out. That's less than 1%. So you tell me, guys, if this is a good risk management. Okay, all right, so let's just remove this and say, okay, I'm trailing my stop loss to break even, right? The price has moved in my favor, then boom 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 boom. Now you see what price does. Comes back, plays around your entry, and then at the end of it, boom, the market goes and hit your take profit. Very amazing, correct? Now let's talk about the next one, which was odd card right here. So odd card was taken based on the phantom edge that I designed. Guys, this is an amazing system. So if you want to learn more about this system, then you should check out my Telegram and DM me, and I promise you're going to love this, guys. I'm never going to put this phantom edge system, I'm never going to share it online, right? So right here you see the market is about to hit my take profit. I'm not going to tell you guys how I made my entry, my last confirmation, because guys, let's just be honest, right? We have so many traders, so many YouTube videos telling us or showing us how to enter the market. These market movers, they know about this. So once an entry is in the internet, so of course they're going to tweak, right? If we was trading based on double top, of course they'll try to tweak. They'll be giving us manipulative double tops, and that's when you see that system is not working anymore. So this one I invented, and I'm never going to show the internet. But for those who need to learn this more, then just hit my DM, and we will have a one-on-one session with you. I'm going to show you how this phantom really works. It's amazing tool. So let's just take this back on odd car right there, right there, something like this, correct? Now this is odd card. Basically I did take this screenshot on the 15 minutes, so let's take it back to the 15 minutes so you guys can see. And I need you guys to also zoom in and see when the screenshot was taken. Let's take it back right here. Let's zoom in. This was on July 23rd, right? Good. July 23rd, and today is July 25th. So nothing is fake, nothing is edited. In fact, this is Telegram screenshot. You see the dates are here, nothing edited. This is Telegram, amigos. That's why I prefer to send this screenshot to my inbox, so that you guys can see that there was not edited, because I can decide to edit the dates when I send the screenshot, or have them maybe in Word, whichever, right? So let's just have it. I think that is there's the end right there, July 23rd, right there. I think you guys can see. So yeah, so let me show you how I did take this trade, not my entry strategy, but this is now the phantom, right? But at the same time, yes, I'm talking about the phantom. Phantom is about entry, early entry, and catching those amazing sniper entry. But at the same time, the analysis is still the same, right? So if you look, price is just in an uptrend. High, high, low, high, low. Now, if you look at this market, yeah, this is way different compared to the Euro GBP that we just analyzed. You see, the Euro GBP was creating this kind of continuation, right? That's why I did take. Then if you look at this, these are not looking good, right? Those are not amazing continuation compared to Euro GBP. So this kind of the market, I used to miss out entry opportunity because I never understood how to enter the market when it looking like this, right? Because for me, I look for continuation, but the market sometimes don't give continuation. And like I said, guys, once you understand the last market behavior, you'll know what price will try to do, right? Good. Now, and then let me just add another thing. If you understand, this is right here, this is a push, that's an impulse phase, and we understand that this is a correction. Now for those who use Fibonacci tool, I bet this is like 50%, right? And then I think I did have my entry, and let the market do its thing. Boom. So right now, just like I say, let the market do its thing no matter what. Let me just adjust this right here. So let the market do its thing. Like I say, I'm not taking any partial, I'm not trailing, and I'm not doing anything. Now the next trade, I've not told my gang, but then since I'm recording this video and she's almost hitting take profit, that was GBPUSD right here. I hid it from Telegram because I never wanted to tell them the pair right here. So you see, that's the screenshot when I was taking that GBPUSD, but then let's take it back for you guys to see GBPUSD right here. That was on July 24th, No, this is odd card. Come on, where's GBPUSD? Oh, right here. Let's zoom in. I don't know why. Oh, okay, just a minute. I'm trying to hold down control and yeah, right there, British pound again, the USD, on 15 minutes. I'm taking this screenshot on a different time frame so that people cannot understand or see, or the internet cannot see my entry time frame, because like I say, I'm going to keep this phantom edge secret like nothing, because I'm never going to reveal this, guys. This is golden, and yo, this is amazing. So this was July 24th right there, and today is 25th, correct? Now let's see what GBP USD is doing basically. Where is oh, right here, come on, right there. I think she's almost hitting take profit, and as we speak, yeah, let me just take a screenshot because yeah, oh yeah, I think I had a screenshot right there when she was playing, to show that I did take the entry. This is GBP USD, guys, right? So you see I entered on a 0.32, but then you see I'm hiding to tell them the the trade. I just want to reveal it after, right? So let me take a live screenshot for you guys and send it to my a Telegram. Let me just have it right there to show you that GBP USD is almost hitting take profit. And just a minute, I hope you guys hear this correct. And the time is 10:43, and let me just send the screenshot to my inbox so you guys just watch your screen. You'll see. Where is it? Just a minute. I'm sending that. Hold on. Okay, there, she's coming. Boom, right there. Correct. So you see I'm still holding GBP USD, almost hitting take profit. No, good. Now GBP USD, I'll need to hit that replay tool once again. And once again, this is based on the phantom edge, and I'll take it maybe to the daily time frame. I'll start from the daily time frame, yeah, right there. Now, of course, GBP USD has been on an uptrend. Yeah, I just sent that photo. What's happening? Correct. All right, GBP USD has been on an uptrend. Yeah, let me remove this. Come on. Okay, so I'm done with that. Right, so we see price creating highs and lows, but then I'm looking for sale. High, low, high, high, low, high, high, low. Okay, now what caught my attention is this level right here. Let me bring this right here. Yes, it is a week right there, and people will be like, yo, the market never broke. No, price to me did break out of that level. I think this should be yeah, let's just bring that right there. So when I saw this week, I'm like, yo, the market broke out of that level, right? It did take out this new low. At the same time, for those who know about head and shoulders, if we cut the head, that was a possible coming head and shoulder, right? And all this was just a price move and like an impulse phase. Then of course 50% retracement, those who use Fibonacci, and now I was looking for the market to go all the way down, right? So let me go to maybe the H4 real quick. Now this is it. Let the market do its thing, blah blah blah. Price went all the way up, something like that. Now, so if you see, let me just flip my screen. This is how I used to have my trends. For instance, I would have done this and I'm like, nah, to me this one looks like she's not ready, because this kind of a trend to me was not clear, right? So this is how I would have taken it based on my old strategy. Probably, let's say this trend was like this. This is how I would have taken that trade. I would have waited for an impulse phase correction, then look for my entry opportunity. Remember, I've flipped my screen, something like that. But then if you see, I upgraded the system. So instead of waiting for price to do this, let's just bring in that, because initially I would have not taken this entry because of this trend right there, but since I updated my system, I'm like, nah, I've seen this one before, and I've seen my age. Let's just go. Price did this thing, blah 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 blah, and look at where I did have my entry position. So I'm like, yo, look at all these pips, around 40 pips. Why will I take this entry right here? It's crazy, right? But I'm not showing the time frame that I did take that entry. And let's see what price did. Let's see how many drawdown we had. Price, boom. All right, there. So okay, just a minute, she's fast. So basically that was like 17 pips drawdown, and so this is still a live trade, just like I've showed you guys. And as usual, I'll let the market do its thing, and that is basically, oh, okay, I think she's almost hitting that take profit basically. Let's see how many pips to go. Okay, that's like 18 pips. I don't know, let's see. This video is basically 60 minutes. I could have held and showed you guys this market hitting take profit, but then if you guys check out my Telegram, you'll see I'll be posting when price hit take profit. And let's just check on Euro GBP. Let's see if she has hit take profit. Let's see. Oh, boom, yep, boom. So let's just update our gang, and boom, Euro GBP just hit take profit. Oh, come on, I closed Telegram. But yeah, let's just open Telegram and tell them. Yep, let's have it right here. And boom, finally Euro. Okay, let's just say we finally landed. Yes. Just hit tick P. We finally landed. Right there. So I think that's it. And let's oh, GBPUSD, is she hitting? Hit it, baby. No, yeah. No. All right, so I think this is the right time to reveal, because I never told them. Let's just remove this one. Boom, guys. If no, I don't know, let me not continue recording, but then let me reveal, right? Let me reveal. Okay, all right, let's just reveal GBPUSD right there. Forward it. Let's reveal it right there. GBPUSD before, and boom, GBP almost hitting take profit. No, full TP. Then let's see how many pips. Is it 18? I think that's 17 pips to TP, and this was taken based on the phantom age, mi amigo. Boom, and let me have a screenshot once again and upload it. Ready, come on. So you guys should go back to my Telegram, and I'll have a screenshot, post it so you guys can see I'm still floating on this joint. Boom. Come on. Yes, sir. Come on. Where are you? Right here. I think I should have it on H4. Yeah. screenshot. Right, so let's share. Time to reveal. You guys should watch my screen right here. Watch this screen right there. Boom, boom, boom. Just to tell you guys that we take these trades, we are not joking. Right there. So that's called the phantom strategy, the phantom edge, and that's how it is. That's how we do these things, mi amigo. So if, like I say, if you want to learn more about this system of mine, the new system that I just created, check out my Telegram link, and you can DM me, and I'll have that session with you one-on-one. So adios amigos, peace.